Hi guys, welcome to Crazy Imran, and I know it's been long because I was in vacation. Okay, I'm not making it, but I don't know what to know. I don't know what to do here. So first of all, they are new cars, which I can see right here. And I'm very poor, so I can afford one. Okay, I may be a little cringe actually. Yeah. Okay, Halloween event, alien explosion. Oh no. Humans have landed, fouled their belts around the map for Halloween. Lifted license for Halloween race. If you Halloween house, Halloween undergo, Halloween limbs. Okay, got it. Okay, that was long. What are these? Guys, do you know what are these? Oh, with these gems, I think you can buy stuff. Yeah, with these gems, you can buy stuff. How to play? I don't get it. Okay, let's start first. Yes, I was like, oh wait, what happened? Yes, I changed my avatar. Spooky. I don't want to do the race. Oh, you can get a raise from doing that. Oh, this makes sense. Okay. I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do. Halloween, yes, I do know that. I'm a alien. And then there's like a cage. Okay, I'm just fake laughing. Why am I even doing that? This is not even kids. This is okay, that's for kids. Oh boy, this is sick. Oh, this is sick. Like when you load it. No, it's not sick. Porsche? They had Porsche? Oh, they had the Porsche Taycan S. Okay. I don't care about the Porsche Taycan. Yes. There's no new. I think I want the Noble. The Noble. Where's the Noble? Noble? Oh, where's the Noble? I want to get the Noble. I want to get the rare Noble. Oh, I think I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. Okay, I want to get out of this guy's car, bro. I think how to buy it is with this money. Yeah. So I have to like get a car. That's really good. I don't know what to expect. And I want to get in. No, I'll just do solo. Can I do it solo? Does solo give me things? Let's test it out. If solo gives me things, then I will do ASMR snapping. Oh no, I didn't think there was this thing, bro. You think I know? I don't know what to expect here, guys. I think there's like some car down outside. I just don't know what happened. I feel like I don't know. What is wrong? What is wrong with my car? There's like something behind me, so I can't see. That's what I'm like feeling right. Spawn a vehicle. Okay. I'm gonna spawn a vehicle. This is gonna be okay, I'm being kind of weird in front of. Okay, let's play a game. If I can guess your name, you gotta comment. Or I'll get your account. If you're watching an account that's called Play if your name is Diva, comment. If your name is Mancha, comment. If your name is Restaurant, comment. If your name is Dylan, comment. If your name is Jamie, comment. If your name is Jack, comment. Your name Gen Z are just so comment if you like and subscribe, and if it says you can as a parent to do, don't do it because you get in trouble and you get grounded and so I don't know what to do with that. Okay, let's actually focus. What I'm doing right now is like someone's flat. Like, oh my god, look, I feel like someone's behind me. I'm gonna get nightmares. Driving Emperor has this is so hideous. What's that? And do I get any? Oh, sheesh. Let's see, how many Robux do I have? I don't even know. Can I buy this? I'm so poor. Let's see what else can we do. Solo race? Oh, what's this? Oh, this is sick, bro. Excuse me. What is this place? This is so hideous. I'm gonna act like. Oh. What are you? Oh wait, I think I said found. I don't know. I forgot my English today. I have Spanish class, no English, because I'm second grade and I'm 87 years old. Newbie? It's not a newbie, it's Pruby. It's Subi. Guys, if you like Ronaldo, comment and say, I like Ronaldo, I hate Messi, Messi's the worst, he has 3 World Cups, but I don't care because he sucks and he's ill, and I hate him, and Ronaldo's the best and he's sweet. Did I just get fooled? Wait, did I just get fooled? Okay, I'm gonna use a helicopter because I might have get fooled by some tanks because I'm Kieran. Oh, do you guys know Fresh Rambo? If you do, comment him, and you know who's Carter the car, just comment him. Because one time Fresh Rambo said, I don't know how to drive a helicopter. Bro, it's on your sides. Can you not see that? Okay, he might be dumb. Okay, not blaming. I'm gonna try to get canceled. This is not a video where you get canceled. So if you're Fresh Rambo, and okay, if you're obviously you're not Fresh Rambo, right? Ronaldo's just like guys, I have a question for you. Comment English or Spanish, and I'll comment whoever will first escape. I'm gay. Okay. If you don't know what gay means, it means you marry a boy. Ooh, what's that sparkle effect? This is sick though. This is sick. There we go. How do you find these? It's gonna take ages. How is this cool? I don't know what to do. That's it? Those cars? This is boring. Well, it's fun with friends. Wait, I think there's something. There's more Halloween. I want to get the Spooker Manor. I'm too poor. Oh my god. This is creepy. I'm gonna fly so I can get some things. So I'm not as poor as this bacon is. Okay, I'm not a bacon. I'm not. Oh, I'm stupid. What? Okay. Oh, I'm just stupid. You can call me I'm stupid, which I actually am. But some things I'm not. I'm not stupid at math. I'm not stupid at science. I'm stupid at nothing except driving a plain car at Dragon Empire. And why is this so tall? This is the tallest thing I ever had. Imran 2024. If you want me to friend, I'll friend you. Oh my god. No. Resume. Why is it not working? No. What's the similar one? What has happened? I think I'm gonna get F. Okay, F. Get me out. What? Okay, I'm gonna teleport somewhere. And where can I teleport? Dealership. Hope this doesn't happen. Get me out of this helicopter. Get me out. Don't tell me I have to get on that. But there's nothing to really do, right? It's just because I'm poor, obviously. Well, my helicopter's just weird. Okay, I'm sleepy. How long has it been, guys? Can you tell me? Pause it and then tell me. Pause it right now. Okay, now tell me. And why are these tangly? Now I can't move my keyboard. I'm gonna put it back together. What's the Bigma? I think it's way too. Let's get it in, please. Okay, I was just gonna show this, but that's gonna be it. There's nothing to really do. Talk to. Hey, bro. I just said, hey, bro. What if I respond to him? License plate. Available only Halloween vehicles. Oh, that's a waste. Wait, started 30,000. But that's gonna be it. There's nothing really I can do. Okay, I'm just gonna drive for some minutes and see what I can do. Just get in this McLaren. I don't know what to do, guys. Okay, that's gonna be it. There's nothing to do. But that's gonna be it. And one more thing. If you don't like and subscribe, when you drive, this is gonna happen. Or if you're a kid, this is gonna mom. But if you're a teenager and you drive, this is when you're gonna happen. Wow, that's perfect, right? And you die. And then you go back again. And then after that, the doctor asks you, English or Spanish? And you say, English. Whoever moved first is gay. Okay, moved, I'm gay. But that's it for this video. And like and subscribe if you want to see more. And next video. And also, if you're Rushwand, Biba, or Nisha that's watching this video, next video, I'm gonna make Barry President Obby. It's just all you guys, okay? I can make random names. Okay, I'm sus, but bye, guys. I'm stupid.